powerful, and I need him to help me with my research, Morty. It makes you kind of the underfoot figure. Special crap, you'll still be able to help me. It's in there, Morty. All kinds of where right. Maybe it makes sense. A little medical evaluation.
Morty.
Pirates. No gods. Beginner's luck. Real. What? What? It's the best.
Yeah, bro.
You're a treasure.
Thank you.
Concept. Bitch. What? Riggedy. Wrecked, son. Least you can do. A new catchphrase.
Oh, yeah? What's that, Rick?